Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I do lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Some of you have even dubbed me the queen of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette. For the month of December, it is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below that takes you to the video, talks about how to enter this. I also have many other giveaways going on as well, one of which is the Tati Beauty palette. I have got my own, and then I've got another one for you guys. My own I have on my eyes right now. I think it is so pretty and I can't wait to give you guys one. Number one rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber, you guys, and I do check every single time I go to pick a winner. I pick one, I use the Google Forms, talks about that in the description box of the videos, corresponding videos that talk about how to enter all of them, and people enter and they are not subscribed, so then I go to the next one. So be a subscriber, join the family, join the fun. So today we are talking Birchbox, and I am making changes to some of the subscription boxes that I do have for 2020. This one is on the cusp of not making it. It's $12 a month. It ships out every month, and I've gone like this with Birchbox. They promised me certain things and never delivered, so hence the reason why they are on the cusp. Let me know what you guys think. Watch this video to the end. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, whether or not you'd like to see this one in 2020 or if you would rather not. So let's unbox it. It's kind of a cuter box this time. You know, it's more sturdy, and it says up here, little quote here, it says, "This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you." I kind of like that. There's a card on the side talks about the products. On this side it says, "As we close out the year, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know that your life is so full, and we couldn't be more grateful that for a few minutes each month, we get to help you find some time for you. We wouldn't be Birchbox without you. Cheers to you in the year to come." And it looks like they're all female-founded brands in this one. This card just says, "Happy holidays, wherever and wherever you celebrate. Here's your reminder to take it all in, and we'll be right there with you. 25% off if you spend $100 site-wide." So this one is a repeat product. It is from the bestseller Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel. Full size is $48. And this gentle acid-free peel removes dead skin cells to help your skin reveal its glow. Apply the gel to clean dry skin and massage in circular motions before it dries. Rinse off any solids that appears. I do a masking and peel kind of review series on this channel where I try on different masks and peel and then let you know what I think. So look for this in an upcoming giveaway. Actually, I already have one of these, so I may be putting this in an upcoming giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 600 subscribers, so help us get there. We have two products from Briogeo. It's the first time sampling them in this box, and it's the Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. And then it's the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner. Full sizes are $28, and this duo is like a juice cleanse for your hair. It contains matcha and apple to balance your scalp and deeply nourish. This will be good to try. Here is a best seller from Benefit Cosmetics. It is the Real Lengthening Mascara in the shade Beyond Black. Full size does retail for $25. This formula makes your lashes look naturally lengthened, curled, and volumized. For full effect, gently wiggle the wand lash from lash to tip. So I have a mascara review that I'm kind of working on right now. And so be on the lookout for this one. Actually, you know what? This is a repeat product too. And I already have this one that I'm doing in my series. So I'm going to be putting this one in that upcoming giveaway as well. Here's another first time in sampling. It is the Monocle Highlighting Shimmer Whip in the shade Cosmos. Full size retails for $15. And to find your features, add a glow with this easy to blend weightless liquid highlighter. Use a blend into just the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and bridge of your nose, your Cupid's bow, etc. Or mix with your foundation or moisturizer. It's a really kind of a pretty pink here. This will be good to use. Lastly is a full-size product. It is by Arrow. Arrow is owned by Birchbox, and it's Boost Your Color Enhancing Lip Balm Berry Busy. Full size retails for $15. Box exclusive brand. This ultra hydrating formula adjusts your lips pH to create a flattering deep pink hue that's unique only to you. I do have a clear one of these that says that's, you know, adjust to your pH, and it's super moisturizing. I really like putting it on like right before I go to bed. I almost use it as like a lip mask. It's really pretty. So here's this one. Yeah, it's not really gonna show up because it's so light, but that's really pretty. So I think that this was probably my favorite thing in here because the others were kind of repeats. What did you guys think? Do you guys think that I should keep this or let it go? Let me know all of that in the comments down below. I am off to celebrate my son's birthday. So my son and my dad share a birthday, and it was 2 days ago. So we're off to celebrate their birthday, and my soon-to-be new sister-in-law, my brother's getting married New Year's Eve. We're gonna celebrate her birthday as well, so big birthday celebration tonight. What do you guys have on your agenda? Let me know that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.